No, no, no. You're looking at me with those heavy eyes, trying to sell me on your beautiful life. We had a moment, yeah, we had a spark, but you're afraid of what is hiding in the dark. You want the comfort without the cost, trying to find the paradise we lost. But words are heavy when they drop like lead, so keep the feelings inside of your head. Don't say you love me, don't make it real. Don't say it, don't say it. It's just a temporary way to feel. If you say the words, then we can't go back. We're walking on the edge of a fading track. Just hold my hand, but keep your lips sealed. There are some wounds that can never be healed. Don't say you love me, please. I know it's on the tip of your tongue, but we are too old to be acting this young. Promises break like a glass on the floor. I don't think that I can take anymore. Let's enjoy the silence, let's enjoy the view. I don't need a label to be here with you. Keep it simple, baby, keep it light. Don't ruin the magic of a perfect night. Silence is golden, silence is safe. Don't make a promise that you're gonna break. Shh. Just be here.